Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today in this video we'll be revealing the teaser of Purva Estrella by Puravankara located near Lokhandwala Circle, Andheri West, Mumbai. But before that, let me show you the actual location of the project. As you can see, I am standing here near the sales office of Purva Estrella, and this is the surrounding of this project and the neighborhood. Now, let me tell you what is Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price and 100% guarantee. Unlike other current listing platforms, whereby if you just do an inquiry, your number gets shared with multiple brokers, resulting in lots and lots of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home right now with your favorite developer through Housey. Also, in this teaser, we'll be discussing about the below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts, offers and many more. Now, let me take you ahead with the project overview. This project, Purva Estrella, will be constructed over 3 acres of land parcel consisting of 6 towers. Each tower having ground plus 27-story residential floors, having premium residencies of 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK. Now talking about the location part. Purva Estrella is located near Lokhandwala Circle, Andheri West, Mumbai. Talking about connectivity, Coastal Road is just 3 minutes away from the project. JVLR is just 7 minutes away from the project. Andheri Infinity Mall is just 5 minutes away from the project. Now talking about amenities part. So this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities with likes of swimming pool, turf, badminton, gym, Spanish clubhouse, mini theaters and many more. Now talking about the carpet area, this project has 2, 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies. 2 BHK has 795 square feet carpet area, 3 BHK has 1100 to 1400 square feet carpet area, 4 BHK has 1600 to 1700 square feet carpet area. Now let's discuss about the booking process. Project booking window is open. Client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project in detail with the help of a 3D model. We'll tell you the pricing and a payment schemes too. We'll show the actual location of the project. And if the client like it, they can proceed ahead with a token amount. So everyone, this was the entire project of Purva Estrella by Puravankara located near Lokhandwala Circle, Andheri West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.